Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're going to be taking a look at a little something different from CRKT, the Ken Onion designed, Italian-made Motley. Let's check it out. So this is a titanium frame lock flipping knife, and the profile is pure Ken Onion turned up to 11. One thing I really like, apart from a little bit here on the pocket clip, there's not a single straight line on this knife. That profile is pure, swoopy, sexy. Specs-wise, we do have a milled titanium frame that's contoured to be nice and comfortable, along with some carbon fiber inlays, an IKBS bearing pivot, and a roughly 4-inch blade of Böhler's excellent Sleipner steel. You can basically think of Sleipner as D2 on steroids, offering better toughness and chip resistance, and Lion Steel even says that this will hold an edge longer than M390. And that's right, I said Lion Steel, because they're the folks who actually made this knife. Whereas most CRKT products are manufactured in the Asian sector, they wanted to create something a little bit special here, with a limited edition run of only 500 pieces, and we can't think of a better partner than Lion Steel to create such an exotic, high-quality blade. If you've been paying attention to what Lion Steel's been doing this last few years, the choice becomes obvious. They've come out with a bunch of different engineering and technical leaps forward, and they've brought their precision to bear on this knife. The frame itself is very comfortable, it's nicely rounded around the edges, and these finger grooves really lock into your hand when you're holding it. Presents the blade at sort of a downward angle, feels ferocious. And that clip point blade sports a really deep recurve. Not only does it look good, but it actually adds to the amount of usable edge given the blade length, meaning your edge will last even longer when you go to use the knife. Also something that's sort of a Lion Steel signature, you've got a lot of crowned surfaces on the edges of the blade where normally you'd have a 90-degree angle, such as right here on the flipper tab, as well as here on the spine of the knife right behind the swedge. And this makes a really nice place to rest your thumb or forefinger when you're holding the knife. Now with the flipper tab being crowned like that, you may think it might be a little hard to actuate since there's no jimping or anything, but that's not the case. The action on this knife is perfect and easy to deploy. We also get a truly deep carry pocket clip with this knife. It is reversible for the left or the right side, and it screws into a barrel that's buried inside the handle here, which means the only thing sticking out of your pocket would be this tiny screw head right there. Finally, we come to these carbon fiber inlays, which have a very organic shape to them, echoed on the front and the back side of the knife. They follow the contouring of the scales quite nicely and help break up what would otherwise be a big monolithic block of gray. You'll notice when the knife is open and the lock bar is engaged that part of it actually sticks out over the lock bar. And in effect what that does is it allows those inlays to function as an over travel arrestor that'll prevent your lock bar from moving too far out of the path when you go to close the knife. And once the blade is out, the lockup is rock solid. That titanium frame lock really holds it in place, and we've got a nice hardened steel insert that actually provides the interface with the tang. So overall, the CRKT Motley is a definite winner. It's built to an extremely high level of quality that's a cut above what you usually see from CRKT, comes from a very good manufacturer with a great name like Ken Onion attached to it. This is sure to be collectible in the years to come, especially considering the fact that there's only 500 of them. So if you're liking what you see here with the Motley and you want to get your hands on one, make sure to click the link in the description below to head on over to knifecenter.com.